Well, it's been a long time we have talked about iOS betas because it's been a long time Apple have released any update. Today, Apple is releasing iOS 16.3 beta 2. We have the beta 2 of iOS 16.3. Let's go. There is a lot of things to talk about today. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. It's been about a month that I have been using, not a month, but a pretty long time that I'm using iOS 16.3 beta, and I'm using simultaneously iOS 16.2 on my device. We are going to talk about iOS 16.2 and iOS 16.3. iOS 16.2.1 will be also coming today. By the time of the recording this video, it is not out yet, but it will be coming out really soon. So stick to it and subscribe to this channel and turn on notification. I think so it will also come out today along with iOS 16.3 beta 2. So there is not a lot of things new that are coming in these updates, but there is a lot of things to talk about. Let's talk about my user experience on iOS 16.3 and iOS 16.2. So my secondary device and my primary device, one is on 16.2, which is my primary device, and secondary device is on 16.3 beta 1. Let's talk about it. The 16.3, of course, it being a beta and a beta 1, the battery life is really terrible and it lasts really short time. So that's not a surprise considering it is a beta. Betas do not tend to have a great battery life and screen on times. That's pretty normal. No surprises here, but the iOS 16.2 battery life is not good at all. There is some issues which is related to location. My device and everyone's device in general on 16.2 is accessing location for just no reason. I mean, it is just turning on location services for suggestion and all stuff. It should turn on the location based suggestion and all once in an hour or probably twice in an hour, whereas it is just turning it on pretty much all the time, which is just eating up a lot of juice of your device, which just reduces the screen on time just marginally. That's why I'm preferring turning off location services and just turning it on back when I just need it, and that works, and it increases the battery screen on time up to 1 hour. That's big number. 1 hour screen on time increase, that's a big number. That's mean how much location you have been sharing to your phone all this time, that it is just giving you 1 hour more of screen on time. Like, that's crazy. On iOS 16.2 and iOS 16.3 beta, both turning off location will give you more screen on time on your iPhones. There was animation bug on dynamic island. There was some animation bugs on iOS 16.2 and iOS 16.3. Not a lot of issues compared to previous iOS 16.1 on iPhone 14 Pros on dynamic island, but there is still some animation issue, and the animation issue are occurring more prominently on 14 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro on iOS 16.3 betas. That is resolved in this beta 3 of iOS 16.3. At least till now I haven't seen any animation bugs, and on 16.2.1 I'm not sure because it is not yet out as I'm recording this video. I will update you guys as soon as possible. Probably it is already out as I'm recording this video, and I will be posting it on my Twitter handle @TechHyped, and will be coming up with a lot of videos related to it. I'm probably, if not one of the first person talking about iOS updates, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The performance. Let's talk about the performance of iPhones on the beta and on the official version. How has it been? On the beta one, the performance has been incredible for a beta, and not gonna lie, I love it, but still there is room for improvement. Of course it is a beta, and beta 2 till now, of course, it is really early to judge right now. As I'm recording this video right now, it is too early to judge. It's barely been an hour that I'm using my device on this firmware, so I can't really tell you a lot about it. But yes, it feels pretty good. It feels pretty smooth and fluid. No bugs or no issues as of now. I will be coming up with my follow-up video. You know what to do. Subscribe and turn on notification. I will be coming up with my follow-up video where I will be talking briefly about battery life and performance. Till now, everything seems pretty fine, and There aren't any major changes that I have found or anyone has found till now. It is probably some bug fixes and all. There aren't new features or changes on this beta as of now, but I will be coming up with a lot of tweet for you guys, and my follow-up video will be having the features and all hidden stuff that this update has. Overall, this update is just a bug fixes and speed update. Like, this just increases the reliability of iOS, and for people who are just complaining continuously how many bugs iOS has been getting recently, Apple is focusing on resolving those before adding new features, it seems like. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you are new to this channel, you know what to do. We are so close to 10k. Would be awesome if you could hit that subscribe button and like the video. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out.